mish lot baknish. Shen o you ton a shen o you vison ta trest be shugoyo tatnasas ach manak wel skummalam. Nish Tammy gold a lot me can filmen ju as Tammy giris munien a filmen ach. Mariam jiken a filmen ach. Ach na kitten ta fagen rudden is tos munien. Me show film ach show. Hanan me slidden here. And she and Khidrod and gold a lot me can. Shed Hangover trilogy. Dus gaan we zeggen met jou voor show. Ramslai goles, de vier grisich met jou show. Oh, de in de zak, de. Ach, Harau miskund de manager op de verna. Jams de weg, oh my god, dus de skull is lot bij slai en plain en de plain gis. As werken genu oil na spotchen kidden show. Te gre magedden te schrie filmen on ba grote vernak. She ilm ton. Ilm. Te oil en rud kidden. Nu jiken naar een gint. Een gint dat is van go ook. Harami giri jikken en Masharin Harami. Ach, Jams de wel het oeil in het wet. En rud. Jai rudden tau jinu ta keuren ook gorm. 10 things I hate about you. Well, show my de Jaru show film dem ren. Ach, Giraurus. Tarudden mayo. Hanal dag goil skill Shakespeare shin Cranford Taming of the Shrew. As tad ke osh no emshrache. Ach fos haneli ho knoll. As the spot in my own to sport regedden Jams. As in another scan show, Mutter shoot jiken show Marish de Venind ish be ish via Van Ricken hours. Trashot. Nudgin Veda Vitua, the South Central Houts Taugut the Hu Sahud. Show Eliams Yindasa. To oil the sparchin for your ach loop the phone economy and you can Irish tamopnish from the Jikin show Trevor Mish me you get as one character you're going to be a situation. Ach, Muto Nagan a film and don't be a menace to society or a nation and film like that. Menace to society as Boys in the Hood. We'll get to know you in the Spartan show. Be it my own stachiam, we'll garachti gust ten kried bleshte. So Tammy Molla and fur show as Eliams to fur show and fur share as oil and tree rhythm van de chicken akatnish. Ach, ta vis Mariams de wel rhythm for the nation sure that they get them. Ach, hanella dems. So beam serash lesh Rodenia ho bovenach ma sure ons trere hit hasim krevin chicken ach be Rodenia Yindasa.